My name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. I really don't. Today I'm going to do a 4th of July look. This is pre-filmed so that it can go up for the 4th of July. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, I just know I wanted to do something for 4th of July, so I think I'm just going to play around and see what happens, which is kind of what I do anyway, right? I don't totally remember what I did last year, I just remember that I didn't really like it. I don't know, maybe I'll try something different and do like a red eye and a blue eye like people do sometimes. So I'm just going to start with setting my eyeshadow primer with my dollar store brush. You can use any light white-ish shade that you have. I'm going to use Rollin' in the Dough from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Then I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Rose Gold Elixir palette, and I'm going to take the shade Side Chick, which is a red matte, and I'm going to take that with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it and put it in the crease of my right eye. So that way when you guys look at me, it'll be red and blue. I'm just going to blend it upwards, kind of like make it a transition end crease shade. Clean that off and try to blend that out. And then I'm going to take my Ivy White crease brush and take the same shade and really try to get it deep in the crease. And also try to blend that out. And then I feel like this is the only red shimmer I have. I don't remember what I did last year. I'm going to take Dirty Rich from the same palette and put that on the outer third of my eye. As my palette breaks in pieces. I guess I'll take my Face Candy Atlantis palette next, and I'll use Empire. Going in with my Ivy White crease brush, that's too much. And I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm not going to use it to its full potential though, because I feel like this is kind of a mid-tone red, so I want to have a mid-tone blue on the other side to balance it out. And blend it out. And then I'm going to use Vanished, which is a shimmery blue, and put that on the outer third of this eye. Okay, I am watching the numbers record on my phone. For some reason, this part didn't record, so I'm filming it again. What I did is I took the Ucanbe Twilight and Dusk palette, and I took Turkish Delight and Nefertiti, which I'm hoping that's how you say it, and I used that with my IBY crease brush to darken up the red in the crease, because I really don't have that many red eyeshadows. It's just not what I use often, or really at all. It's pretty rare. So I'm just going to blend that. And this way it can match the depth of the blue eyeshadow on the other side. And then I decided to make it a halo eye. So I'm going back into the Makeup Revolution palette to that red shimmer, and I'm putting that on the inner third of my eye as well. Look at what happened to this palette. It's not supposed to close like that. Then I'm going back into the Face Candy Atlantis palette and going back into Vanished and putting that on the inner third of this eye. And then I took the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette again and used Drippin' Diamonds in the middle. And I was saying that I know the flag isn't red, blue, and silver, but I think it makes for a nice look. And make sure I blend it out. And to darken up the red again, I did add a little bit of musk from the Ucanbe palette, and I put that over the red shimmer I already had down. There, back to the original content. For the bottom, I'm actually going to keep it matte. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it. And for the red side, back into the Makeup Revolution palette and just putting that red matte on the outer and inner thirds of my lower lash line. And then the Face Candy Atlantis palette, going to do the same thing with Empire, just on the other side. And going back into the Ucanbe palette, I'm just going to darken the red side up with a little bit of Nefertiti. I hope that's the way you say it, because it's fun to say. And I'm going to blend out the blue side a little more, just to match the red side. And I'm also going to put Drippin' Diamonds on the leftover space in the middle of my lower lash line. So make sure it's blended. What do you guys think? For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take this white shimmery Catrice eyeshadow in Lumiere. No, I lied. It's the Lumiere eyeshadow. It's in... Oh, I've definitely used this before on my channel because I can't speak French. 030 looks like Dinner en Blanc, but I know that is not how you say that. I don't think they make these anymore either, which is sad because it's a good eyeshadow. But just finish up with a nice white shimmer shadow, or none if you don't want any. Oops. And I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara because I want big, bold lashes. For my lower lashes, I'm going to use a blue mascara and a burgundy mascara because burgundy is the closest I have to red in mascaras. These are the Sephora V for Volume mascaras. Unfortunately, they don't make them anymore, but you can definitely use any blue and red or burgundy that you have. For my lips, I think I want to do a red lip with like a blue holographic sparkle on top. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal Pop Balm. Unfortunately, they don't sell these anymore either. This is in Fiery Red, but again, just use any red lip that you have. Companies really need to stop discontinuing things I like. And then I'm going to top that off with the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Finesse, which is a clear with a a blue glitter. Can you see that? To finish off, I'm just going to add a little bit of glitter from the Wet n Wild single in Bleached, and I'm going to put that on the tops of my cheekbones, because if I put it on my eyes, it's just going to make a mess, because it doesn't dry down. But this is what I keep it for, a little glitter on my skin. And here I am popping in from the second day where I had to refilm. I did a little variation. On the lower lash line, I used the shimmers instead of the mattes, and then I switched the mascara. I put the blue mascara on the top and bottom lashes on the red eye, and then the burgundy mascara on the top and bottom lashes of the blue eye. Just something else you can do. Alright, I'm happy with how that came out, something a little different. Happy 4th of July. That's it for today, and I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye! See you next time!